Hello everyone, I have bought this kitchen 3-in-1 toy which cost me around 800 rupees from Amazon. Let's unbox this quickly and see how it is. So you have these attachments with this toy. You have utensils, you have vegetables, and there are different kind of attachments which you need to attach in it, and slowly I'll be showing you how to do it. There are stickers also which will make your kitchen toy look beautiful. These stickers are of really good quality. So the attachment which I'm opening right now, you just put a sticker on this and then you will utilize the one which I've opened to decorate the top of it. So the quality wise, the product is really good. The stickers are very nice quality. It's making the product look very nice. So let's see more of it. You not only get stickers to decorate the thing, but also to decorate your utensils, your spoon, ladles and everything. They are all of good quality, so you can use this. So now I'm going to show you how the entire look of the first part going to look like. So this is how it will look, and then I will be showing you the second part. So you open the attachment, close the suitcase and you put it on top, and this is how your second part is going to look like. So let me know in the comment section how you like the unboxing of the toy. See you all.